Hi, good morning students. I am Hemangi Jagtav from Swayam Learning Point. How are you students? I hope you are very fine today. Okay, students, today we are going to learn how to write a formal letter. So, in the previous lecture, I have explained the importance of letter and format of the letter. For how to write a letter or the way of writing a letter. You know, the importance of letter is to convey our information and requirement as needed. One who convey the information or requirement is in the form of said format either for informal or formal type of letter is called addressee. For the letter writing, we have such the parts of the letter such as sender's address, salutation, body of the letter, subscription, and these are the main parts of format. Now, students, let us take an example for to exact representation of informal letter with this given subject. Here in this question, suppose a male, a boy, or a girl writes a letter. Imagine or assume that Rohit as a boy or Rohini as a girl wants to write a letter for importance and requirement of yoga for to all. He or she needs to represent the given points in a leaflet and make and frame the sentences. Those can show or conclude the meaning of given points. So students, how yoga is beneficial to each and everyone? First of all, to release the stress and give comfort and always keep energetic in their hectic and very stressful routine work schedule. You all well known about present or current situation of city life. A complete busy life create irritation in life and loses temper many times. Due to this, he or she may loses his or her dignity. Each and everyone is aware of the imagine in society. In spite of this, man or woman both are busy in their work to their progress, building status, and imagining society and for his personal identity. For this, tremendous patience are required. Yoga gives us tremendous patience and gives stability for making firm decisions. Students, you know better. Yoga helps to increase sustaining power due developing concentration of mind and body. Concentration create the more energy to do your task and make it effective and effective. For all these necessities, everyone should adopt yoga and it is necessary do yoga in a systematic procedure because yoga is a process which transform our energy in human body to keep healthy and physically fit. So, what is important here? So, learning yoga technique need a proper guidelines and special guidance from coaching activities. And for this, there are special batches of 8 to 10 students. For all these said benefits, Rohit or Rohini is requesting to his headmaster of this school by drafting a following letter. Let us see how letter should be written and express each part of the letter one after another. Here, Rohit or Rohini writes formal letter to school headmaster. Rohit or Rohini writes a formal letter to their school headmaster. First, write sender's address starting with his name to the left top of the page. In this way, you start the formal letter. This is the sample letter for formal letter. First, what I told you, write sender's address starting with his name to the left top of the page adjoining with vertical margining line. There is no any indentation for any paragraph from margining line. Letter starts from left margining line and ends at from left margining line of subscription, means start to end. Now write an address at such as follows. Specially keep intention to give commas and full stop for addressee and mention date. Its all points are important while write the letter. Okay, here the writer's address. Students of standard 10, Jeevan Vidya School, Pune, with pin code 411004, comma 22nd July, comma 2020. In this way, you should write the address. Then leave a line and write the receiver's address to the school headmaster, Jeevan Vidya School, Pune, with pin code number. Again, you should leave a line and write down the proper subject. What is given subject in your question? So, you write a proper manner. Request for yoga class in our school. You should write in a short sentence. Then the important salutation. In between the receiver's address and salutation, leave a line. Now salutation is here under. Similar to addresses, keep notice for commas and full stop while writing salutation. Respected sir or respected madam, dear sir or dear madam. Then write given subject according to your question. After salutation, body of the letter. You should write the body of the letter in a 3 paragraphs. First, in the first paragraph, self introduction and introduction of the given subject. In this body of the letter, no personal feeling. Use the given points in your question. So in this way, in the first para, here I have written, we, the students of Standard 10, request you to start yoga classes in our school. We have read yoga provides energy, reduces tension, and helps students to concentrate. It will help us to deal better with the stress of the board exam. In this way, you should write a short paragraph, means it's only the introduction about you and the given subject. Now leave the line and the next paragraph. It's a real, you should write the fact. Perhaps special batches only for 10 standard. Students charging reasonable fees can be held. You mentioned in your speech during assembly yesterday that staying fit and healthy is essential in this modern age. We feel that yoga is the answer to our problems. And in the third paragraph means conclusion of the letter with vote of thanks and expectations. Please consider our suggestion. We promise you that we will do all the necessary arrangements. In this way, you should write the body of the letter in a 3 paragraphs. Use the given points, use additional points related with the subject, and use grammatical structures. Are you able to understand, students? Okay, yes. So, now you should leave the line and again you write yours subscription means yours sincerely or faithfully or obediently with signature and the sender's name means yours faithfully, comma, Rohit Raj or Rohini Raj for the students of standard 10. In this way, you should complete the formal letter. And now the next format of informal letter. In informal letter, only you should write the writer's address, not necessary to receiver's address here, and the subject also. First address means Ganesh Society, Apple Street, Pune with pin code number and appropriate date means 22nd July 2020. Your younger brother and the name of your younger brother is here given Rohan. So start write the letter. Dear Rohan, hi there. How are you? How is your health now? Have you recovered from your about a fever? I'm fine here with Didi and Jiju. It is raining quite heavily and it is green all around. I joined yoga class here a month back and I have found that it has made remarkable difference in my health. I do not get tired easily and feel energetic even after a long day at college. I find I can concentrate better on my studies too. My stress level have gone down. Just half an hour of yoga daily has helped me considerably. Energetic even after a long day at college. I find I can concentrate better on my studies. My stress level have gone down. Just half an hour of yoga daily has helped me considerably. Now in the third paragraph, you are in standard 10 now and I know that you are working hard. Mommy tells me that you get tired and tense very often. I would suggest that you enroll yourself in some good yoga class for students where the fees are reasonable and practice yoga regularly. It is essential in today's world. You will then remain healthy and fit. Do it for a month and then you will never stop. By now, love to all at home. Your loving brother Rohit. This is the informal letter and the language is here informal and friendly. Okay students, I hope you better understood these two format of letters, formal and informal. Please like it, share it. Thank you.